What's up, friends? This is Alex with Stucco Done Right, and I want to show you another video. We got called because they're replacing the decks here. They're fixing this deck, and they removed that entire deck. And they were going to do it, but then they found some dry rot behind it, like on that area where the foam is and such. That was because they didn't have proper flashing. As you can see, we're installing that flashing up above, and then as you can see the end dam right there to divert the water away, and then we can see that has a head flashing above the foam. That foam is still gonna get rasped. Same thing here, the double flashing, that flashing up above, whoop, yep, that flashing, whoop, flashing at top, and then the flashing on the bottom. So that's basically what we're doing on this job, and this is Flavio, the guy doing it. So that's how it is. Again, same thing, flashing there, the NM. As you can see, it returns, so it doesn't allow the water behind the corner there. And we're just gonna take it all the way. Flavio already installed the flashing, the L flashing right there. You can see it, boom. Now he just needs to install the flashing, the head flashing above the wall. And then we're gonna be they deleted or canceled this deck, so we're gonna install plywood there so we can finish that up. And then they're gonna be removing this deck, and we're gonna be doing the same thing over what we did on the other side. Alrighty, folks, I just thought I'd show you this video. Another one of our jobs here for Stucco Done Right. This is flashing installation on decks. Alrighty, folks, thanks for watching.